Okay, so this is a preview of my little Lego Siren. So here's the 2001. You can see of the light. It says a 2001, and it says on the other back. And what I have right here is my Thunderbolt. And it has the blower. You can see right here. It does rotate. Every rotated siren is allowed to rotate, so this is allowed to rotate. Instead of this little air raid siren right here, this is an air raid siren. Stop slipping. Oh my gosh. Stop it, please. Yes, this is an air raid siren. Yeah, this is an air raid siren. And look at the 2001 panels. What did I do for these? Is I have little connectors there, so I could just connect these to there whenever I want. Yeah, it works on any panel I do. Here's your 2001. Putting it back on. So the 2001 is the biggest one. There's a Photoshop of the panels. Stupid darn little panels. There we go. I did not do panels on the Thunderbolt, but I will. Let me just find. I'll be right back. Okay, I got back. And this is my single phase SH10 over here. Yeah, this is my single phase SH10. And right here is the old fashioned Chinese Thunderbolt blower. If I can get focused on the words. Here you can see it's from China. You see? It's an A14091 China Thunderbolt blower. Yeah, so that's really. And look at this. I made a Thunderbolt a little bit taller so the panel can fit onto the pole. So let's get a huge Photoshop. Okay, I got a Photoshop of it. Let's get a Photoshop of the 2001. And the panels. And now the Thunderbolt. And now the panel and the blower. And now the air raid siren. And the air raid siren's panel. Okay, so I took pictures all from them. And this is what it looks like on top. It just looks pretty cool. Yeah, so this is an EOWS without two horns. I'm sorry, missing two horns from the EOW. I am thinking of some more over here. And yes, I did find another final signal little box, rotator box. This is a rotator box. So guys, if you didn't know that, that's a rotator box from a final signal. 130. This is the 130 too. I got two 130s, I think. I'm not going to show the other 130 today. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can get another... Oh, tree, I can't put it in. Yeah, I can't try to find another little horn for this EOWS. But yeah, I'm sorry. Some of these pieces are made out of Lego Minecraft. So, let me see. That right there, 2001, is made out of Lego Minecraft. All of it in here is made from Lego Minecraft, plus the zombie with the pickaxe. I hate zombies. So yeah, rotators down here. I can't put it on the pole because it can't rotate, but I can just do this. I can just do that. But instead, I have all these other sirens. Let's get a picture of the EOWS. I feel bad for it. Okay. And now the single face SH10, let's get a picture of. Okay, I got a picture of the SH10. So let's go around it. Let's go around it. Yeah, some of the things are beaten up, I should say. Some of the cones are beaten. Some of the cones are beaten up. Like this one right here is kind of bend. Yeah, this SH10 is over 50 years old. I'm sorry that I'm using a little spider box. But yeah, that's what it looks like in SH10. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, the sirens. And I hope you enjoyed it. I will make another video of them another time. But yeah, that is basically it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. And please subscribe to all my videos I make for my tornado sirens out of Legos. Pretty awesome. So yeah, please subscribe. Bye. Ooh.